So what's up guys, hope you are doing well. I'm Mesh from TechMesh and today I'm going to show you that how you can unsubscribe your email on Owlindex or like Scholarship Owl or these kinds of website. So I have like previously signed up an account to this Owlindex website and they are constantly like updating me with email, and I will show you that how you can unsubscribe from their websites for your like email list. So here you can see this is the email that I have received, like some person has started following me on their Owlindex website. So these kinds of website tend to like keep post you a lot of emails, which is obviously irritating. And at the bottom of the email, you can see the option unsubscribe. So if you just click on this unsubscribe button here, then they would take you to their website. But the thing is, they would try to make it as hard as possible. So first you need to sign into your account. So I will sign into my account. And after signing into your account, so here you can see that they have redirect me to their like homepage. So I cannot find the unsubscribe button. So if you just click on again to this unsubscribe button now after logging in, so here you can see this is the account settings. So at the bottom here you can see notification at the left side here. So just click on this notifications, and under notification you can see notification settings. So just click on email settings. Here you can see option like follow, connection, comments. So here it is all currently selected to receive. So just click on don't receive. So it would be updated. The settings would be updated. So I have like changed everything. So I do not want to receive any emails for them from them. And obviously another easy way to do it would be like just click on this three dot icon and click on block Owlindex. But the thing is they might change their like email address and send you a new subscription email from another email address. So you need to constantly block every one of their email. So the proper way to do it would be to just click on this unsubscribe button. Here, just select like don't receive and just select your preference. So this was a quick tutorial on how you can unsubscribe from Owlindex, Scholarship Owl, or these kinds of website. The interface could be different, varying from website to website, but moreover the less you can like click on the unsubscribe button, and then you need to like search in your settings or everything the notification option or email or subscription, and then just click on don't receive. So if the video worked for you, don't forget to hit the like button and let me know it in the comment section below. And please subscribe to my channel for more helpful tutorial like this one. So I'm Mesh from TechMesh and I'm signing out.